Hello and welcome to Edismart Concept. Get ready to unlock your potential in mathematics today. Today, we shall solve the 2020 Waec Maths questions 1 to 25. Question 1. Evaluate, correct to 2 decimal places. 75.0785 minus 34.624 plus 9.83. Correct answer, option B, 50.29. Explanation. First, subtract 34.624 from 75.0785 to get 40.4545. Then add 9.83. The result is 50.2845, which rounds to 50.29. Question 2. If x is the set of numbers less than 7, and y is the set of factors of 24, both taken from the universal set 1 to 10, find x intersection y. Correct answer, option B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Explanation. The elements of set X are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The factors of 24 within the universal set are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. The common elements in both sets are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. Question 3. Simplify the expression. Open bracket 16 over 9 raised to minus 3 over 2, multiplied by 16 raised to minus 3 over 4, close bracket, all raised to 1 over 3. Correct answer, option D, 1 over 4. Explanation. Negative indices invert the base, while fractional indices represent roots. Applying the laws of indices and simplifying step by step gives a final value of 1/4. Question 4. Find the least value of x, which satisfies the equation. For x is congruent to 7 modulo 9. Correct answer, option C, 5. Explanation. The modular inverse of 4 modulo 9 is 7. Multiplying both sides by 7 gives x congruent to 49. 49 is equivalent to 5 modulo 9, so the least value of x is 5. Question 5. Express 1 plus 2 log base 10 of 3 in the form log base 10 of q. Correct answer, option A, log base 10 of 90. Explanation. 1 is equal to log base 10 of 10. 2 log base 10 of 3 is equal to log base 10 of 9. Adding the logarithms gives log base 10 of 90. Question 6. If 1 0 1 base 2 plus 1 2 base y equals 2 3 base 5, find the value of y. Correct answer, option D, 5. Explanation. 1 0 1 base 2 is equal to 5 in base 10. 2 3 base 5 is equal to 13 in base 10. Subtracting gives 1 2 base y equal to 8. This means y plus 2 equals 8. So y is 5. Question 7. An amount of 550,000 naira was realized when a principal X was saved at 2% simple interest for 5 years. Find the value of X. Options: A, 470,000 naira, B, 480,000 naira, C, 490,000 naira, D, 500,000 naira. Correct answer, option B. Explanation. Simple interest means interest is calculated only on the original principal. 2% interest for 5 years gives a total of 10%. 10% of the principal produced 50,000 naira interest. Adding this to the principal gives 550,000 naira. Therefore, the original principal is 480,000 naira. Question 8. Given that the fraction square root of 3 plus square root of 5, all over square root of 5, equals x plus y square root of 15, find the value of x plus y. Options: A, 1 3/5, b. 1 2/5, c. 1 1/5, d. 1/5. Correct answer, option B. Explanation. Divide each term by the square root of 5. This gives 1 plus the square root of 15 divided by 5. So, x equals 1 and y equals 1 over 5. Adding x and y gives 1 2/5. Question 9. If x equals 3 and y equals -1, evaluate 2 open bracket x squared minus y cubed close bracket. Options: A. 24, b. 22, c. 20, d. 16. Correct answer, option B. Explanation. 3 squared is 9. -1 cubed is -1. 9 minus -1 equals 10. 2 multiplied by 10 gives 22. Question 10. Solve 3x minus 2y equals 10 and x plus 3y equals 7 simultaneously. Options: A. X equals -4 and y equals 1. B. X equals -1 and y equals -4. C. X equals 1 and y equals 4. D. X equals 4 and y equals 1. Correct answer, option D. Explanation. Solve the two equations together using elimination or substitution. When x is 4 and y is 1, both equations are satisfied. Therefore, the correct solution is x equals 4 and y equals 1. Question 11. The implication, x implies y, is equivalent to. Options: A. Not y implies not x, b. Y implies not x, c. Not x implies not y, d. Y implies x. Correct answer, option A. Explanation. In logic, every statement is equivalent to its contrapositive. The contrapositive of x implies y is not y implies not x. Therefore, option A is correct. Question 12. The first term of a geometric progression is 3 and the fifth term is 48. Find the common ratio. Options: A. 2, b. 4, c. 8, d. 16. Correct answer, option A. Explanation. In a geometric progression, the fifth term equals the first term multiplied by the common ratio raised to the power 4. Divide 48 by 3 to get 16. The fourth root of 16 is 2. So, the common ratio is 2. Question 13. Solve 1 over 3 open bracket 5 minus 3x close bracket is less than 2 over 5 open bracket 3 minus 7x close bracket. Options: A. X greater than 7 over 22. B. X less than 7 over 22. C. X greater than -7 over 27. D. X less than -7 over 27. Correct answer, option B. Explanation. Multiply both sides to remove the fractions. Collect like terms carefully and simplify. The final result shows that x is less than 7 over 22. Question 14. Make m the subject of the relation k equals the square root of open bracket m minus y over m plus 1 close bracket. Options: A. M equals y plus k squared over k squared plus 1. B. M equals y plus k squared over 1 minus k squared. C. M equals y minus k squared over k squared plus 1. D. M equals y minus k squared over 1 minus k squared. Correct answer, option D. Explanation. First square both sides to remove the square root. Then cross-multiply to clear the fraction. Collect all terms containing m on one side. Finally, factor and simplify. This leads to the expression in option D. Question 15. Find the quadratic equation, whose roots are 1/2 and -1/3. Options. A. 3x squared plus x plus 1 equals 0. B. 6x squared plus x minus 1 equals 0. C. 3x squared plus x minus 1 equals 0. D. 6x squared minus x minus 1 equals 0. Correct answer, option B. Explanation. The sum of the roots is 1/6. The product of the roots is -1/6. Using the general quadratic form, the correct equation becomes 6x squared plus x minus 1 equals 0. Question 16. Given that x is directly proportional to y and inversely proportional to z, x equals 15 when y equals 10 and z equals 4. Find the equation connecting x, y and z. Options. A. X equals 6y over z. B. X equals 12y over z. C. X equals 3y over z. D. X equals 3y over 2z. Correct answer, option A. Explanation. Direct proportion means x increases with y. Inverse proportion means x decreases as z increases. So x equals a constant multiplied by y divided by z. Substituting the given values gives the constant as 6. Therefore the equation is x equals 6y over z. Question 17. Two buses start from the same station at 9 a.m. and travel in opposite directions along the same straight road. The first bus travels at 72 km per hour and the second at 48 km per hour. At what time will they be 240 km apart? Options. A. 1 p.m. B. 12 noon C. 11 a.m. D. 10 a.m. Correct answer, option B. Explanation. Since the buses move in opposite directions, their speeds are added. 72 plus 48 equals 120 km per hour. Distance divided by speed gives time. 240 divided by 120 equals 2 hours. 2 hours after 9 a.m. is 12 noon. Question 18. A solid cuboid has length 7 cm, width 5 cm, and height 4 cm. Calculate its total surface area. Options. A. 280 square centimeters. B. 166 square centimeters. C. 140 square centimeters. D. 83 square centimeters. Correct answer, option A. Explanation. Total surface area of a cuboid equals 2 times open bracket length times width plus length times height plus width times height close bracket. Substituting the values gives 280 square centimeters. Question 19. In the diagram, line PQ is parallel to line SR. Find the value of x. Options. A. 34, B. 46, C. 57, D. 68. Correct answer, option B. Explanation. Because the lines are parallel, corresponding and alternate angles are equal. Using these angle relationships, the value of x is calculated as 46 degrees. Question 20. Find the equation of the line parallel to 2y equals 3 open bracket x minus 2 close bracket and passes through the point 2, 3. Options. A. Y equals 3 over 2x minus 3. B. Y equals 2 over 3x minus 2. C. Y equals 3 over 2x. D. Y equals minus 2 over 3x. Correct answer, option A. Explanation. Rewrite the given equation to find its gradient. The gradient is 3 over 2. Parallel lines have the same gradient. Using the point 2, 3, substitute into the equation. This gives y equals 3 over 2x minus 3. Question 21. The expression 5x plus 3 all over 6x open bracket x plus 1 close bracket will be undefined when x equals. Options: A, 0 and 1, B, 0 and minus 1, C, minus 3 and minus 1, D, minus 3 and 0. Correct answer, option B. Explanation. A fraction is undefined when its denominator equals 0. The denominator is 0 when x equals 0 or x equals minus 1. Therefore option B is correct. Question 22. A man is 5 times as old as his son. In 4 years' time, the product of their ages would be 340. If the son's age is y, express the product of their ages in terms of y. Options: A, 5y squared minus 16y minus 380 equals 0. B, 5y squared plus 24y minus 308 equals 0. C, 5y squared minus 16y minus 330 equals 0. D, 5y squared plus 24y minus 324 equals 0. Correct answer, option D. Explanation. The son's future age will be y plus 4. The father's future age will be 5y plus 4. Multiply these two expressions and set the result equal to 340. Expanding and simplifying produces the equation in option D. Question 23. Simplify a over b minus b over a minus c over b. Options: A minus b plus c over ab. B, ab minus bc minus ac over ab. C a squared minus b squared plus ac over ab. D a squared minus b squared minus ac over ab. Correct answer, option D. Explanation. Take the lowest common denominator, which is ab. Combine the fractions carefully. After simplifying the numerator, the final expression matches option D. Question 24. In the diagram, triangle XYZ is an equilateral triangle of side 6 cm, and T is the midpoint of XY. Find tan of angle XZT. Options: A, 1 over square root of 3, B, square root of 3 over 2, C, square root of 3, D, 1/2. Correct answer, option A. Explanation. The midpoint creates a right-angled triangle inside the equilateral triangle. The angle involved is 30 degrees. The tangent of 30 degrees is 1 over square root of 3. Question 25. A fence 2.4 meters tall is 10 meters away from a tree of height 16 meters. Calculate the angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the top of the fence. Options: A, 76.11 degrees, B, 53.67 degrees, C, 52.40 degrees, D, 51.32 degrees. Correct answer, option B. Explanation. Find the difference in height between the tree and the fence. 16 minus 2.4 gives 13.6 meters. Tangent of the angle equals opposite divided by adjacent. So tangent equals 13.6 divided by 10. The inverse tangent of this value gives approximately 53.67 degrees.